Assalamu alaikum. This is Amadur Rahman. Class, in the last week, we started chapter number 7, the Internet and the World Wide Web. We have discussed so many things about the history of Internet, and we also discussed about the uh, ways how we can access Internet. And today we will discuss some more topics of Internet. The first thing is that we will discuss is browser and its parts. I told you in the last class already that you need to be connected with internet connection, and you should have a device on which you can access internet, and you should have a browser in it to access World Wide Web. Browsers are software programs that allows you to search and view the different kind of information that available on the World Wide Web. जो भी information आपको चाहिए होती है, it could be different kind of websites from which you are reading or viewing it. Now here we are discussing some main parts of browser. आपको पता होना चाहिए when you open a browser, you should know about the parts of it, how you studied parts of different kind of softwares. Here we have status bar. What is it? At the very bottom of your browser window, it tells us that what you are doing at that moment. What is your status? Address bar. At the top of your browser, it is located. It displays the whole URL, Universal Resource Locator, of your web page. Title bar, it is exactly at the top above the address bar. It tells the title of your web page, जो भी वेबसाइट बनाने वाले ने उसका टाइटल रखा होगा. टूल बार, it is located at the top, where you will find the back button, home button and refresh button. Scroll bar, it is located usually at the right of the window. It helps us to go down or move up at the web page to read out the information of World Wide Web. And here we are going to study another use of internet, that is email, electronic mail. I think you all have done email for once in your life. You have done for once. Electronic mails is a way of communication. How you do like for instant messaging, आप instant messaging करते हो, and it is used for official works. You can send, attach multiple files, you can send documents, you can send messages, you can send details, written details, also videos and pictures also, by with the help of email. It is just like how you mail to the post office. It is very fast. The purpose of it to communicate with your loved ones, and it costs very cheap. You just need to have a connection. आपको सिर्फ connection की ज़रूरत होती है, और आप in seconds आप अपनी mails एक जगह से दूसरे शहर, दूसरे country में easily सेंड कर सकते हो। अच्छा, यू शुड हैव इंटरनेट कनेक्शन। आपको पता है कि आपके पास इंटरनेट कनेक्शन होना चाहिए। यू शुड हैव एन ईमेल एड्रेस, और email address is just look like this. There is a username, and that username is separated from a fully qualified domain. Domain के बारे में मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था, what is it, and in that domain PK refers to a Pakistan, NAT refers to the type of organization, and cyber refers the organization's name. And there are multiple sites from which you can use this facility of email. There is Hotmail, Yahoo.com and Gmail.com. Electronic mail. How you can do it? Just click on Compose to write a new message. Write the email address of that person you want to send the letter. Write what the email is about in the subject box. How you write in your applications. Click on CC to add the email address of a person you want to copy a copy of this email to. Click on BCC if you want to send a copy of this email to other people. अगर आपको एक की जगह दो या दो से ज्यादा लोगों को भेजनी है तो दो दूसरे बंदे को जो भेजनी होगी, दैट ईमेल एड्रेस कम्स इन सीसी, एंड अगर आपको उसके अलावा भी उसकी सेम कॉपी भेजनी है तो दैट कम्स इन बीसीसी। इफ यू वांट टू सेंड अ फाइल सच एज रिपोर्ट, स्प्रेडशीट या फिर कोई डॉक्यूमेंट, दैट शुड बी अटैच्ड बाय दिस आइकॉन। चूज अ फाइल फ्रॉम द फोल्डर। अगर जो आप फाइल भेज रहे हैं वो जरूरी है कि वो आपके कंप्यूटर में हो। वेट फॉर द फाइल। क्लिक ऑन सेंड बटन। दिस इज हाउ यू कैन सेंड एन ईमेल। क्लास, this is what we had for today. This is the assignment for the second week of January. Complete it in your notebook. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.